Hi, my dear friends. Today, I'm sourcing and buying the container, the shipping container from my Australian customer. And my Australian customer bought two. I helped him buy two 40 feet HC, 40 feet high keel container. It's pretty much like the beige one, or cream color beige one. There are several colors: blue, beige, and gray, yellow, red over there. This is a warehouse, container warehouse. Here I have brand new ones and used ones behind. The used ones are behind. Well, those containers are manufactured in South China, Guangdong province. Price is pretty much cheap. Well, if you buy, I will let you know the price. This is the final source, final resource. Let's come inside to have a look around. And these are the used ones, or you can call it the second ones. This one is like 80% new. The other one is like 50% new. 50%. Can be used as a warehouse, but 50% one and 80% new ones. Well, for these brand new ones, new containers, can use as a house when you ship it to your country. When I ship it to your country, usually my customer buy it to load the goods, to load the furniture and building materials, carry the materials, building materials and furniture with these brand new containers to their hometown, to their home or their hometown. And after they release the goods, then they can use this new container to make a house, a warehouse, a brand new house, and make a house. Okay. Wow, this is a huge truck. A huge forklift. This is a huge forklift to take the containers down. 它能一下子拉五个集装箱吗？这个？啊，it can carry 6 containers. Can carry maximum 6 containers to move around. Or can take one down and move them to other places. Okay, this way. Well, this is the beige color 22, the brand new one container. Beige color 22 container. This is a 20 feet gray one. Gray container. Come, I show you. I show you another container different. 2 sets open. So these are another 2 brand new containers. The difference is 2 sets open. The rear door open, the center door open. Only 2 sets. One is rear, the other is center open. Take a bigger view. Take a bigger view to show. Take a bigger view. Have a look inside. Come. Pretty much new. Pretty much longer. Pretty much longer. This set is the same size as the only rear door container. We have only contact the cube. 40 feet deep sea container. trucks and put this container away. Here are about 7 pieces, brand new 20 feet beige color containers. Well, all right, done, finished.